Hello everyone, welcome back to AeroHub, and in this video we will discuss the latest job notification from National Aerospace Laboratories, and the date of this notification is 2nd of July 2021, and this is purely a contract or temporary basis recruitment, and the positions are project assistant, that should be in diploma in mechanical engineering, and we have three positions for that. Project associate 1 and project associate 2, we have the educational qualification BE BTech in aerospace, aeronautical, mechanical, electrical, ECE, computer science from a recognized university for both associate 1 and associate 2. And for these two positions, those who are having masters in the relevant discipline also can apply, and we have number of posts as 3 and 15 plus for associate 1 and associate 2. And this job or this position is for 2 years, and it may extend, depends upon the project. We can see the details of the project staff. First group is group 1, aerodynamics and mechanical system, and the area is aerodynamics. You require project associate 2 1 number, project associate 2 1 number, project associate 2 numbers, and you can see the educational qualification. They are asking BE BTech in aerospace mechanical with 2 years of experience, and they are asking for structural analysis of rotary machines, rotor dynamics, machine design, and also the software use this CATIA and SolidWorks, and they are also requiring ME MTech for this post, and the job requirement is propeller development. Similarly, associate number 2, this only vacancy for 1, BE BTech in aerospace or mechanical with 2 years of experience. The softwares use the Unigraphics, NX12, CATIA V5, SolidWorks, AutoCAD, ANSYS ICM, and in this position also they are requiring ME MTech. This is for configuration, design and modeling. Like that you have, I will put this notification in the description box. Like that we have requirement for project associate and assistant for aerodynamic structures, etc. Okay, in structures you need more number of associate when compared into aerodynamics, and they have detailedly explained the qualification as well as the software required. You can see it. You can see in structures they require CATIA software, they require Hypermesh, Nastran, etc. And those who are having the qualification for masters also can apply for this job. Okay, so they have arranged, they have given the proper job notification, like what is the requirement. For example, for project associate 1, we require only 1 candidate, and they should carry out the strength of material calculation, static and buckling, dynamic analysis, and they require 2 years of experience also. Okay, so this is the major area where the students from aeronautical and mechanical stream can apply. This is for electrical branches, and the monthly salary for this people like project assistant will be 20,000 plus HRA, and for associate number 1 the maximum will be 25,000 and 31,000 for those who are qualified for GATE examination and UGC NET. For associate 2 the maximum will be 35,000 for those who have qualified for UGC NET and GATE, and 28,000 for plus HRA for others who are not under this category number 1. Okay, and they have given the general conditions, and the maximum age limit is 50 years for project assistant and 35 years for project associate 1 and 2. And one more case, they will be, the application will be on applying online mode, and you can see the online mode application in their website, and the last date of application will be 18th of July. Okay, so I will be attaching this notification description box. Please kindly use this opportunity. Thank you for listening. Take care.